Every case that comes into Monarch Family Law requires an assessment. We have to look at what the specific needs are going to be, and we create a game plan. And typically what I do is I kind of prioritize what the issues are and what are going to be the least difficult, and I kind of wind it all the way down to the ones that I believe are going to be the most contested. Every single client comes in, I want to know their story. I want to know their background. I want to know about their relationship in respect to lifestyle, income, their contribution to the marriage. We discuss assets that may or may not exist depending on what we find out through the discovery process. We discuss what their expenses are, what their needs are going to be, what their education is, and we kind of put together a plan going forward. So when this process is complete, they are in a position that they can go forward in the best possible way. The best way to protect your financial interest during the process of divorce is not to spend it all on the cost of your divorce, candidly. I see people dissipate entire estates paying for the cost of litigation that at the end of the day is probably not necessary. We can accomplish your goals. We can equitably resolve your case without depleting the assets that you have accumulated. So I would suggest that divorce and financial impact go hand in hand. You can really, really either save the money you've earned or you can pay astronomical costs, which at the end of the day are probably not going to change the outcome of your case. During the divorce process, one of the most important things that we're looking for from our clients is open, honest, and clear communication. We need to be able to rely upon what it is that our clients are telling us. We need our clients to respond openly and honestly to the questions that we need answered in order to assist them, in order to formulate the right plan, the appropriate method that we're going to have to use going through the process so that we can achieve a successful outcome. When you're going through the divorce process, you can anticipate a great deal of stress. We're going to be asking you to do things that you probably never thought you were going to have to do, and that is to review your entire history from possibly the beginning of your relationship to the point where you find yourself at this point, and look at your financial circumstances. What we try to do to reduce the amount of stress is to give you very, very specific instructions as to what we need. And sometimes I have to say to clients, don't go crazy. Don't, do the best you can. Come to us. We'll work through whatever the difficulties are. You need to know that you can come to us with your concerns. You don't need to sweat it out on your own. We're here to answer those questions and make this as least stressful to you as we can possibly make it. If you are looking to navigate through your divorce with confidence, with care, with good communication, contact Monarch Family Law and schedule a free consultation.